last video we went over how to do the VLOOKUP function. In this video we're going to go over how we can use the HLOOKUP. And the only difference between the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP is the VLOOKUP function is a vertical table, given that you want to find a value in a vertical column. The HLOOKUP is when you want to find a value within a horizontal table, such as this one right here. So let's say we want to find the tax rate for the income of $21,566, and we basically want to find the tax rate within this table using this data set we have here. So we're going to start off the formula by entering equals, and we're going to type in HLOOKUP, and again this function is to find a value within a horizontal chart. Now it's asking us to find out what is the lookup value. So we want to look up 21,566, comma, within this data table. So we're going to highlight the entire table, and then we hit comma, and then we want to type in the row number. So because we have 3 rows, and we want to find the tax rate for this income, we're going to go ahead and type in 3, because that indicates we want the 3rd row. And that completes our formula. We're going to hit tab, and we get 28% tax rate for $21,566. Now let's say you wanted to find out what was the tax rate for $58,500. You can test the formula by changing the lookup value to $58,500, and you should get 31% for tax rate. So that's how you use the HLOOKUP function. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and we're happy to answer and make more videos